Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to share Eggless No Bake Mango Cheesecake recipe. A delicious no bake cheesecake that's super easy to make and absolutely delicious. This eggless no bake mango cheesecake is super delicious with mango puree, cream cheese and whipped cream. This mango cheesecake is a great recipe to try during this summer mango season. For this recipe, I am using 25 digestive biscuit. Grind the biscuit into fine crumbs in a food processor. You can pour 3/4 cup of melted butter and mix it well until it resembles like wet sand. Transfer the biscuit mixture into the bottom of the glass dish or any kind of dish you are using, and then you can place it in the refrigerator to set while you are preparing the cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup of softened cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of icing sugar I am adding here. You can always adjust the sweetness according to the sweetness of your mangoes. And then 1 cup of mango puree I am adding and whisk it well until everything combined together. In another bowl, I am adding 3/4 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Whisk it well until a soft peak appears. Now you can combine the whipped cream with the mango cream cheese mix. Whisk it well until everything combined together until you get a soft and creamy mixture. After 15 minutes, you can remove the biscuit base from the refrigerator while we were preparing the cream cheese layer. Now you can pour the cream cheese layer on top and spread it evenly. Cover and refrigerate for at least 8 hours or until it's firm. Now I am preparing the mango jelly. Just prepare as it is in the package direction. Pour this over the cheesecake mix with the help of the back of the spoon. Let it set outside for few minutes and then you can refrigerate again till jelly sets completely and you can enjoy later. Mango cheesecake is ready now. It's very delicious. No big cheesecake that's super easy to make and absolutely delicious. You must try this recipe in this summer. I'm sure you will fall in love with it. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.